Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sentry SDK from React app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Sentry SDK from your React app, start by opening your project directory in the terminal. Next, ensure that you are in the correct directory where your React app is located. Use the package manager you originally installed Sentry with. If you used npm, type npm uninstall at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. If you used yarn, type yarn remove at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. Press enter to execute the command. Once the uninstallation process is complete, open your project files in your preferred code editor. Locate the files where you had integrated Sentry. These files typically include your main application file, often named index.js or app.js. In those files, remove any import statements related to Sentry. Look for imports that may look like this: import asterisk as Sentry from at sentry/react. Next, find and delete any initialization codes for Sentry. This code usually includes sentry.init. After this, check for any Sentry error logging calls throughout your application. These calls usually look like sentry.captureException error or any other Sentry-specific functions. Remove these lines of code to ensure that your app no longer references Sentry. Now that you've removed the code, it's time to clean up your project. Run your application to ensure that it starts without any errors related to Sentry. Finally, commit your changes to your version control system, if applicable. Your React app is now free from the Sentry SDK. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.